Hi, I'm Bill.
I'm Nancy.
And we are the Thin Blue Lane. Hi guys, this is Bill from the Thin Blue Lane. And we're going to do an opening for the Garmin RV770 LMT-S. This is going to be a smart navigator for the RV lifestyle with edge-to-edge display, custom RV routing, and driver alerts. Let's just open her up and see what's inside. I know most people have the cameras up here shining down on the box and stuff. We're not fancy like that. So I'm just going to open this up. First thing we're going to have in the top of the box is the actual GPS. It's a GPS. It says bienvenue, or welcome. I'm excited about this. It's kind of a late birthday present. It's going to have a suction cup for the window. Extra ball connector. This is going to be your power. Standard jack, and of course it's going to have the USB style connector on the other side. And figure out what that is later. It's another USB cable. And the only thing else in here is that. Look at that description. That's about it. This is the RV770 LMT GPS, specifically for RVs. I'm sitting inside of a 42-foot Alpha Gold by Lifestyle RV. Back here you have our recliners. Over here you got the TV. There's actually a garage here for a motorcycle on the side. I'll show you all that stuff later in another video. These cabinets you see back here are all full of DVDs for movies. And there's the DVD player for that TV. I'll go ahead and show you right now. This is our recliners. It's all set up for Halloween. And over here, that door leads into a garage where a motorcycle usually is, but to get out of debt, I sold it. And now that is a big 36 square foot storage room. That's all I've got for you right now. I'll probably do some editing, and in the next scene you'll see this thing actually functioning, if it's got a charge. Not sure that it does. Go ahead and open it and try it now. What do you think? I like being off script. What do you think? That's pretty fancy right there. Look at that. Yes, I like my toy. This toy happens to be highly functional. Taking off that welcome, this product is ready to use. I'm reading that backward through the paper. Let's see if it's actually ready to use. Let's go ahead and try to turn it on. I've not read anything yet. I just opened it when I showed it to you. So let me find a button, or anything that looks like a button. I think that's a button right there. I did see another video where someone opened one of these and it had no charge. So it is probable that this little guy is dead. I'm going to do a little editing magic, and the next time you see me, look at that, it's a reflection of me. Anyway, the next time you see me, this should be on. I just plugged in the USB connector and it came to life instantly. It says Garmin. Push this button here, see if it does anything. Looks like I have to be patient, and I'll have to do a little bit of editing to take out all these faux pas. Anybody likes a faux pas? Do you like a faux pas?
It depends.
Some people like faux pas, apparently. Hey, Nancy and I really appreciate you watching. Please like and subscribe if you like what you see here. There's going to be a lot more fun coming up.